So good morning guys, welcome back. For today's video guys ay sasakyan ko si Palablab. Charot. Sasakay tayo ng cable car dito sa Porto, Portugal. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow. Did you know that Porto's Gaia cable car offers a unique aerial view of the city's famous port wine cellars and the Douro River? The cable car, known as Teleférico de Gaia, runs along the Vila Nova de Gaia side of the river and connects the upper level of the Dom Luis Bridge to the riverside promenade. Perfect for sightseeing.
Oh my God.
O diba? Did you know the Gaia cable car was built not just for tourists but also to revitalize the urban space and improve accessibility? Opened in 2011, it helps bridge the gap between the high and low parts of the city, making it easier for pedestrians to navigate the steep hills while enjoying panoramic views of Porto's historic center. So, ayan guys, para akong bata dyan guys. Kasi sabi ko kapalablab, sabi ko, try natin yung cable car. Kasi even though na may fear of heights ako guys, gustong gusto ko talaga siyang itry. Kasi whilst andyan na kami ba, seize the moment na kasi. Hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo babalik ulit, diba? So, sabi ko kapalablab, let's do it. Kasi ang init-init, tapos yun nga, papuntang taas para dalhin kami sa upper part ng place nga doon sa Afam Bridge na sinasabi ko. Tapos mura lang naman yung ano niya, yung kanyang parang ticket ba, parang I think 7 euro I think it was. Kaya sabi ko pala, let's try it para ma-enjoy naman natin yung view from the cable car, yung view sa baba ng river, ng bridge, tapos yung mga bahay-bahay, etc. etc. Ayan, so napakaganda ng view guys. So should you come to Portugal guys, to visit Portugal, this is a must try talaga yung cable car. So quick question for you guys. Would you come to Porto, Portugal, and would you want to live here? Kasi, tinanong ko sa Palablab, ang sagot niya, super init daw para sa kanya. But I think for us Filipinos, parang, ano lang siya, parang perfect yung, ang klima, ang panahon. But for me, no.